Has he had enough? Has he had enough? Has he had enough?
AJ, please, stop this. Stop it, please. AJ, please. It wasn't me. It wasn't me, AJ. It wasn't me, I told you.
You're gonna need a little bit more evidence than that, Damien.
It was, I haven't. It wasn't me.
What do you have? What do you have? You have lies, Damien Wolf.
It wasn't me.
Lies.
It wasn't me.
What do you have, Damien? What do you have?
AJ,
Tell the people at home.
get that out of my face.
Tell the people at home.
It wasn't me.
It was you.
It was me.
It was you.
I thought you were my friend. I thought you were my friend.
So did I.
Come on.
Mr. Wolf. Mr. Wolf. I'll be okay.
Oh, no, I'm going. No. No. Okay, I'm telling you it wasn't me. Someone's got to believe me out there. Look what he's doing to me. No. Stay out there. Stay out there.
Can Damien come out to play?
No. Get away. No.
Now, maybe you know how I felt all those long days. And maybe now you know.
How do you like it? No. Yeah.
Let's make sure all the good folks at home can see.
You know it's too much. It's too much, you know it.
There he is.
ROA champion. Here. I'll give you money. Here. Take my ball.
Something to sweeten the deal, huh, Damien? Is that what you got here? What do you got to sweeten the deal?
What?
Let's see. Nope. Spent. Let's see.
Yeah, open that. Open it.
What's this say? What am I, terminated, Damien? You're gonna terminate me, Damien?
No, read it. Read it.
What are these, the results, huh, Damien?
Yeah, read what it says. Read what it says.
Mike Evans
And
Jeremy Seidel.
Yeah.
Positive identification.
Yeah.
You lie. You lie.
Read it again. It's from the forensic people. Read it.
No.
I told you. That's why they quit.
You lie.
That's why they quit.
You're lying. It's false.
That's why. No.
It's a mistake.
I fingerprinted him and you know it.
It was you.
Jeremy wasn't there. You remember you were supposed to face him.
It was you, Damien.
Believe me. Believe me, son of a bitch. It says it on the papers. Come on. Believe it. Tell everyone.
No. It was you, Damien.
It says.
You doctored the evidence.
Believe it! Believe it! Do you get it? Do you get it now?
Oh, yeah. Figures. It figures.
Read it again. Read it. Maybe you'll come to your senses.
Positive identification, Damien.
From who?
Positive Jeremy Seidel.
And?
Mike Evans.
Yeah! It's funny, isn't it? You put me through all this. You know who it is. You put me through it. Now you want my title so bad. You want to walk out. Walk out.
It was all a big misunderstanding.
Yeah, it was a misunderstanding, wasn't it? Wasn't it? It was a misunderstanding. So come on, walk out. You want my title so bad. Come on, Fatal. Come on, Fatal. Here, I'll bring the camera so everyone can see. Come on. So everyone can see it. Look at that. Right there. Right there, Fatal. I want everyone. Everyone. Here. You coming over here? Right there. Everyone. Everyone can see it. Come on. Walk out. You gonna walk out? You gonna walk out? Here. You gonna walk out, Fatal? You know what? You know what, Fatal? This is your fault. Son of a bitch. Oh, fuck you.